Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will present you how to change text box outline color in Apple Pages. Let's get started. Firstly, insert the text box. Click the text box icon and add the border. Go to the Style and Format option. Check mark the border option and increase the border thickness. Now click the drop down menu of border style. You can add dash border, dot border, etc. Now click the color option. Choose your own color. You can add custom color. You can reduce opacity of outline color. Just click outside. You can add more color. Just select a color. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.